Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can download Bluestacks on your Windows computer. So this is on my Windows 11 laptop, which is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop. And you can open Google and search for the Bluestacks, and directly you can open this bluestacks.com. So you can download this just with one click. It gets downloaded, and it is getting downloaded now. So I'll go to my download folder. So this is the download folder. See here, I'll be double clicking on this. It is asking me the permission to run it. So I gave the permission. Let it install. So we can play Android games right on your Windows mobile. This is the emulator which runs Android games, the Play Store games. So it is asking me to agree and install. Okay, it is downloading. Now it's downloading. It is 103 MB. Okay. Yeah, see here, it is almost getting completed. It took like 2 to 5 minutes. Yes. Once this is downloaded and installed, I'll be installing a game from the Play Store. See here. This is the Play Store, right? Google Play. So I'll be downloading any of the game from here on this Bluestack software once it is completed, and I'll try to play it so that I can show you how you can play Android games on the Windows laptop, which is Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever it may be. When you install this Bluestacks software, you can just play on this emulator. Yeah, just wait till the end. Yeah, see here, this is what the pop-up appears when it is successfully installed. This is the window. See here, Bluestacks here. This is the window. I'll maximize this, and this is the advertisement. Okay, fine. So this is the navigation. Okay, back, home button, and the recent. Just like your Android, just check the controls here. Okay, and as I said, I'll be searching a game or the apps from the Play Store. Okay, what I can do is I can just click on the search, and maybe I'll go to Play Store and I'll be just searching for a game. Okay, searching for a game. I have just copied that here, and I'll open this tab and I'll be pasting it over here. I'll hit enter. So yeah, install from Google Play, you can see, right? So I'll be clicking on install from Play Store, and it is asking me to sign in. So just sign in with your email ID, whatever you have, Gmail ID, and once it is done, I'll be showing you back again. Yeah, see here, I have successfully just signed in with my email ID. Then I can be able to install this game. So for now, I'll pause this video, and once this is completely downloaded, I'll be back to the video again. Okay. Yes, this has been totally downloaded, and I can click on play here. On this Bluestack emulator, this game gets played. Okay. Let us click on just this now and click on this play now. And F11 is the full screen shortcut, or you can use this one also. This one. Okay.
Toca boca.
See, you can observe here. This is the full screen. Press 11 to exit the screen. Okay. As of now, I just muted the volume now. Okay. This you can just play on your. This is the Android game. Remember. Now I'm playing on the Windows 11 computer. So I'll be clicking on F11 now. Yeah, see here, escape. I can click the escape also. I'll be clicking on this back button, home. Yeah. So this is how you can actually, so this is the install game. Okay, whenever I want, I can just click on it and play it again. Okay, so this is how I'll closing this. So this is how you can install BlueStacks on your computer and install games or apps on your computer. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.